Hi, in front of me is DOOGEE N30 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Start by going into settings. Now you need to scroll down, choose security, tap on face unlock and click on enroll face over here. Then enter your current login method, read the instructions, click on start enroll and read the disclaimer. When you're done, tap OK and remember to be still. Now, when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!